So, there's this things you can do, what's it called, call to actions, which will help anything, your main goal for your channel. So, what I mean by this is, if you have a pinned comment in your video, because you have to print this ahead, of course, but if you have a pinned comment, you can tell the viewers in the video, which this will have a pinned comment, so go check it out, in the video that there's a pinned comment, or let's say that link's in the description to future videos, or maybe a subscribe link. I'll make a video about that later on. Now, these call to actions are really powerful because you can even ask someone to subscribe. Now, here's my recommendation for that. Don't make it in the beginning of the video unless you're good at it, because that's an audience retention killer right there. This video in the future won't be monetized because it's a killer. Yes, that's a fact. But maybe say in the middle of the video if you can do it well. You can go to Google Images and download a like button thing and a subscribe thing. You can also go to what's it called? I can't remember, but I'll probably text in on this video so you can know. Because I'll be wanting to know after in this video. But you can go to that and get free or paid subscribe things that will show up in your video and likes and maybe comments too. So the end goal is get people to your links in your pinned comment or your description and get them to subscribe, even like your video. So I'm gonna do that right now. So if you like this video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want more YouTube tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe.